What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Bitcoin is finally pumping right now, and look at this right here. Exactly from this lower A range right here, we've seen a push of the Bitcoin price up to all the way here of around $72,700. This is absolutely amazing. Of course, we know exactly why. It's because of the ceasefire. It's because of this right here, and we saw the oil prices absolutely collapsing. However, there's a few things in the chart right now which I want to show you exactly in today's video. So if you're trading Bitcoin, if you're holding Bitcoin, pay attention to today's video. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you out there watching my content. It truly does mean the world to me. And to give back, I'm giving away $100 every single Monday. So drop your comments down below saying literally anything to enter that giveaway. Also, as you know, guys, I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. I am definitely not a financial advisor. And of course, if you're in the UK, UAE, or USA, do not watch, engage with any of my content or links, please. So let's jump into the content, because this is absolutely beautiful. On the 4-hourly chart, it looks huge, to be honest. It looks like a huge pump right here that we have in fact seen for Bitcoin. If we take a look at the percentage right there, we can see that it's around a 7% pump, which is absolutely amazing. It was definitely well needed. Of course, being in Dubai, this deadline was around 4 a.m. last night. So I was a little bit uncertain about what could be happening, if there would be a few crashes and bangs outside, but luckily there wasn't any, and things seem to have settled down just a little bit. We can see here Iran ceasefire deal gives Trump way out of war, of course, but at a higher cost. And things did start to look pretty good. Oil started decreasing, Bitcoin started increasing. We can see the oil price was down around 20% in just the space of around 8 hours, which is a massive crazy move. If you look at oil price, the manipulation, and it's just crazy, and the insider trading on oil is absolutely ridiculous. Let me know down below if you think people are in fact insider trading oil before Trump does make these posts on True Social or something like that. I think it could be absolutely crazy. My bots are also up very nicely this morning. I believe overnight around $200 to $300 was made, which is absolutely beautiful. And if you do want to go ahead and copy the exact grid bots which I am using over on Pinex, there is a link down below. You don't have to do anything. You literally just follow these steps right here. Sign up right there using this link. Claim your deposit bonus. I believe it's up to $1,000 right now. And then activate your bots. Click here and you can activate your bots. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, these are all the bots which I am running live daily. They're trading daily live for me. So when we have these moves in the markets, I don't have to worry about having my trade set up. I don't have to worry about tweaking my trades or making sure something is right. These bots are set up. They're going to be active from now until probably the end of the next bull run. So I am accumulating, getting good positions with these bots right now. And I am reaping the rewards. Overnight, around $200 to $300 was made on these bots, which is absolutely beautiful. And you can see some of the returns right there. So if you do want to go ahead and learn more, go to copymybots.io, or there is a link down below in the video description. Follow the steps, make an account, claim the deposit bonus. You can deposit whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. And then go ahead and activate your bots. Choose it right here. Then just simply click copy bot. It's super easy, and it's all explained on the website and in the description. So we do have this from Trump right here over on social. A big day for world peace. Iran wants it to happen. They've seen enough. They've had enough. Likewise, everyone else has as well. They're basically saying here they'll help and hang around in the region until things get a little bit better. Of course, it's not the end of this escalation. Of course, even though there was a ceasefire agreed upon, there was still rockets and drones and stuff flying. Of course, they never really truly agree to a ceasefire until much later. But again, positive news for the market right there. If we take a look at this chart right here as well on the weekly, and we bring up some of these beautiful EMA ribbons, we can start to see that we could be forming some form of a bounce right here, guys. That would be absolutely beautiful. I am still bearish short term though, and I do potentially think we could see worst case around 50K, 46K coming for Bitcoin. However, in the short term, I will take these bullish bounces. I will take that $200 to $300 I made from the bots overnight, and I will in fact probably put it in my USDT wallet. I am also short on Bitcoin. I just added another $20,000 to my short position on Bitcoin. Of course, guys, you know, short term, I am bearish on Bitcoin. long term to mid term, I am very, very bullish. That's why I've got the bot set up for the medium to long term and my short position right here over on weeks for the short term. So still $100 in profit. It came back up to my previous entry around 72K. I just added another $20,000 of margin right here on this account. So around a $30,000 trade right here. I am short. I think it will come back down. We can see it'll probably come back down here to around 64, 65K. But again, there is a link for weeks down below if you did want to go ahead and trade that. Looking at this chart right here, we can take a look right here. We can remove this EMA ribbons right there. We can see it could be some kind of a bottom right here for Bitcoin. I mean, potentially we could see further sideways or even downwards action. But again, I am paying very, very close attention to this chart right here. It is on the logarithmic scale right here, which we can see. However, I do think that potentially, if this was to be invalidated, we could see crazy bearish things for Bitcoin. That's why I've got that short position open, a little bit of a hedge. Those bots are set to buy if the price does go below this area. So if you're copying my bots, don't worry, you're already set up and you should be good for the future. However, if we do see an invalidation of this multi-year support level right here, all the way back from 2018, so around an 8-year support level, if we do see an invalidation of this, things could get pretty scary for Bitcoin and we could see a dip down to that 46K, which is honestly my lowest target for Bitcoin. This bear market is around 46K. But overall, things are still on track until we invalidate this level right here. We are still in it. Of course, keep subscribed to the channel. You can keep updated about everything which is happening. And if we take a look at the liquidation levels right here, we've got some big ones appearing right here at 55K and 53K as well. So those are the immediate, and again here at around 64K. So these are immediate on the 1 month scale to watch. If we go on the weekly chart right here, we can see the main area is around that 66K, pretty much the lower level right here. If we go back to this chart and change it to regular, go to the 4-hourly chart at that 66K, which we saw is around down here. So again, it's understandable that there's a lot of liquidation at these ranges. People are probably entering positions right there, setting their stop losses around there. It's completely understandable. Personally, I think it's difficult for Bitcoin to get out of this range right here. During these times, we've tried previously and we have in fact got rejected. We tried right here, we got rejected. We tried right here, we got rejected. And again, right here, we got rejected. And honestly, I think we probably will be rejected again and bounce down to around the 68K range, in my opinion. That's why I entered a more margin on my short position, but still have those bots for the longer term thing, the long term play. So overall, I think it's pretty good. What we've seen is pretty good. Oil price did in fact collapse like crazy. We've got Altcoins as well pushing up a little bit. Sui up around 10 cents in just a day or so. Solana up a couple of dollars, nothing too crazy. But overall, it's a very, very boring time in crypto, guys. If you are here watching my videos, watching other people's videos, still accumulating, you will be rewarded for your efforts in the next bull market. Do not worry. Of course, you need to be extremely greedy when others are extremely fearful, as Warren Buffett said. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to buy Bitcoin. I'm trying to buy altcoins. I'm trying to enter and get great positions to set me up for the next year. Yes, it will be painful, probably for the next 6 months, maybe even 9 months. It's going to be very, very painful. However, I'm setting myself up so I'm ready for the next cycle, and you should be too, guys. Of course, I really appreciate you watching every single video of mine. Don't forget to comment down below saying literally anything to enter that giveaway for $100. I still have the giveaway running over on my X if you did want to check that out. And also, of course, don't forget that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. And if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do watch or engage with my content or links. I appreciate you watching every video of mine, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.